Hello, good morning. My name is Don Martin. I'm with thereasonablerealtor.com. It's a website, it is a blog. It's a place where you can get all sorts of information about selling your own house. We have branched out to where we also deal with do it yourself money and do it yourself maintenance and do it yourself lifestyles in general. Go to the website. I'm going to leave you a link, an URL link down below that you can just click and go there. But once you're at the website, thereasonablerealtor.com, you can go. There's one choice to the left that says start here, and the choice all the way to the right says blog topics. And there's only real estate and money and lifestyle. They're all do it yourself stuff. So see the direction that you want to go in. And check them out if you would. I want to call your attention today to a couple of, I guess you would call them pillar pages or primary pages or big daddy pages or pages that deal with a lot of stuff. Uh, there's going to be a table of contents at the top of that page, so you can go directly to the parts that interest you. There are going to be a bunch of links from those pages to go to the various other articles that show up in our blog. So hopefully it's part of a continuing organization and reorganization to serve you a little bit better. Please do check that out. Like I say, I've put some links down in the comments section that'll help you get to where you're going. Another thing I want to mention while I've got you here, I do have books that I have written that are for sale. Some people ask from time to time, boy, you're doing good work. How can we support you? Well, there's a couple of ways that you can support me. One, obviously, you can buy some of my books. Some of them are Kindle, some of them are paperbacks. I love to make book sales. They're not very expensive, and they are chock full of good information. Another way that you can support is to subscribe. Subscribe to the website. Subscribe this little red square over here that will let you subscribe to this YouTube video channel. That would be fun too. Another thing that you can do is make comments down here below in, oddly enough, it's called the comment section. You can write most anything, write stuff that you wouldn't mind your mom reading or your kids reading, because I do have tender ears. Put a comment down there. Watch to the bitter end. The videos are not terribly long either, but if you'd watch them to the end, that would help me too. So those are the ways that you can support me. I appreciate it very much. I thank you for your time for today. I'm going to see you again tomorrow, but today don't forget to go check out a couple of these big organizational pages. Onward and upward. Thanks a lot.